detailed explanation of all types of grilled shrimp. Grilled shrimp is a very diverse group of dishes. Depending on the marinade, ingredients, and cooking style, it can create many different flavors. Below are the most popular types of grilled shrimp explained in detail. 1. Salt and chili grilled shrimp. This is one of the most popular styles in Vietnam. Marinade ingredients include coarse salt, fresh chili, garlic, and sometimes a little sugar. The flavor is spicy, salty, and strongly aromatic with natural seafood sweetness. Shrimp is usually grilled over charcoal to preserve its sweetness. The slightly charred shell adds a smoky aroma. This type is best for people who enjoy strong spicy flavors. 2. Garlic butter grilled shrimp. This is a very popular restaurant-style dish. Ingredients include butter, minced garlic, pepper, and parsley. The flavor is rich, buttery, and fragrant with garlic aroma, while still keeping a slightly sweet natural shrimp taste. Butter melts into the shrimp while grilling, creating a shiny golden coating. This type is best for people who enjoy rich and mild creamy flavors. 3. Sauté grilled shrimp. This is a bold Vietnamese and Chinese-inspired flavor. Ingredients include sauté sauce, annatto oil, garlic, chili, and sugar. The flavor is spicy, rich, and slightly oily with a strong chili aroma. It has a bright red-orange color and is often skewered and grilled over charcoal. This type is best for people who like strong spicy and bold flavors. 4. Honey grilled shrimp. This is a mildly sweet and easy-to-eat style. Ingredients include honey, soy sauce, garlic, and olive oil. The flavor is lightly sweet with a caramelized aroma when grilled. It forms a shiny, slightly sticky outer layer and can burn easily, so it requires careful grilling. This type is best for children or people who avoid spicy food. 5. Plain grilled shrimp. This is the simplest grilling method. It uses almost no marinade or only light salt. The flavor is the pure natural sweetness of shrimp. It is usually grilled over charcoal and does not mask the natural flavor of the shrimp. This type is best for people who prefer natural and original taste. 6. Cheese grilled shrimp. This is a modern restaurant-style dish. Ingredients include mozzarella cheese, butter, and milk. The flavor is rich, creamy, and cheesy with a stretchy texture. The shrimp is grilled first and then topped with melted cheese. It can be cooked using an oven or charcoal grill. This type is best for people who enjoy rich fusion-style food. 7. Green pepper grilled shrimp. This is a fragrant and mildly spicy style. Ingredients include green peppercorns, garlic, and butter or oil. The flavor is aromatic, slightly spicy, and refreshing. It has a distinctive green pepper aroma and is often served as an appetizer or paired with drinks. This type is best for people who enjoy unique and lightly spicy flavors. Summary. Grilled shrimp dishes can generally be grouped into 3 main categories. Spicy and bold includes salt and chili and sauté. Rich and creamy includes garlic butter and cheese. Light and natural includes plain grilled, honey, and green pepper.